Hi, my name's Emily and I'm a pro makeup artist, and I'm gonna show you how to do a soft winged eyeliner using eyeshadow in just 3 easy steps. Let's get started. So if you're afraid of eyeliner, shadow liner might be your friend. We're gonna use the Natasha Denona Bronze Eyeshadow Palette. We're gonna use the colors Magma, Suntan, and Deep Dive. Let's start with Magma. So I'm using like a very angled brush, but it's nice and short angled. I feel like this type of brush can hold a lot of product really well because it's a dense angled brush, but any angled brush will do. So I'm gonna go in with Magma. This is a really rich chocolatey brown color, and it's gonna look really good on everyone. So right on the outside corner here is where I'm gonna stamp this chocolate brown color. I'm gonna stamp it going upwards. A little trick for wing liner, if this line under her eye kept going, that's a good indicator of where your angle should go for your wing liner. Shadow gives you a lot more wiggle room. It's a lot less pressure than regular eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, or gel eyeliner. Now I'm gonna go in with Suntan, which is a little bit of a lighter color, and that's gonna help me ombre that color into her skin tone. So right where her skin meets the eyeliner is where I'm gonna put that lighter tone. You can apply this with any of the colors in this eyeshadow palette. So say you wanted to do a shimmery eyeliner, you could do it with these colors. Just that gave her a lot of definition here. And what I can also do with that lighter color of Suntan, I can just feather it out ever so slightly with the shadow. And that looks so pretty. So you can leave it there, and that's a really pretty soft brown chocolate wing liner. But if you want to define it even more, we can go in with Deep Dive. And what you can do is stamp even closer to the lash line, just to really define that color. Notice how I'm not rubbing back and forth, I'm stamping. And when you're doing this to yourself at home, it's really easy to keep a mirror below you. And when you're looking down, it's really easy to just look down and stamp your eye just like that. This eyeliner, maybe if you turn to the side a little bit, you can see it. It looks really, really pretty and soft. If you turn just slightly side to side, you can see that soft brown wing liner. Thank you guys for watching. I hope eyeliner is a little bit less scary now. If you like this tutorial, please comment, like, and subscribe to IPSY's YouTube channel. Bye.